So welcome back everyone to my channel. How's everyone doing? I appreciate all of you for bringing out time to read up my teachings and also some of your comments. I'm really appreciative. So today we will be talking about, remember our team is sickle cell anemia, sickle cell disease. This disease is really plaguing. We want to look at now we want to enter into the juice of the whole thing. So, but before I tell you the cause, I want to discuss this gene mutation because that is the cause of sickle cell disease. What is a mutation? In our last discourse, I told you that mutation is a change in DNA sequence in the body. Like this DNA, nucleotide is a unit of it, and there are many of it that are arranged in sequence. They are arranged in sequence. They don't just drop them like a tip of sound. Sand. They are arranged in the body, and that's why our body is, operating the way it is. They are arranged in our body, the DNA, and a unit of it is a nucleotide. Gene mutation is this gene mutation or change in the sequence occurs when there is a change in gene mutation, when there is a change in the sequence. They are arranged in sequence, maybe A before B, B before C, but when there is a change in the sequence of it, that is what is called mutation. And when this mutation occurs, it is a problem, and that gene mutation is the cause of sickle cell. So let's now look at types of mutation. Types of mutation. Remember, mutation, this gene mutation can be caused by mistake doing copying. That is when the DNA through RNA, if they send message that is not correct, and if there is wrong copying, replication, it can cause this mutation. Or environmental factor can cause it, like radiation or chemical, can cause it. So there are many types of mutation, and it's one of them that is the cause of sickle cell anemia. First of all, the first type we have is point mutation. Point mutation is when there is a change. I told you that these nucleotides that are the basic unit of DNA or RNA is arranged in sequence. When there is a change, that is they are arranged, and when A comes before B, that is what is called point mutation. And that is the cause of sickle cell. I will tell you when I will discuss the cause of sickle cell. It can be a point mutation, it can be insertion mutation. That is adding one or more nucleotides. I mean that one nucleotide should be here, and when during copying there's a mistake and one more is added. We will talk about that. You see the what it can cause. So we have insertion mutation, we have deletion. During copying, that is character copying or hereditary copying, there can be a deletion by mistake. And if you have deletion mutation, which means if you have A, B, C, D, E in sequence like that, and mistakenly A is deleted, which means the sequence is no longer correct, it can cause disease, it can cause change in the body system. We have also frame shift mutation. When there is a shift during the reading, there is a shift, and that can completely change the sequence of the DNA and all that. And if there is a change, assuming that the sequence is A, B, C, D, E, and there is a shift, CD now shifted, maybe it's a problem. So we call mutation is a change in sequence, in the sequence of DNA and RNA. And if there is any change, it will bring problem. So this abnormal hemoglobin that is causing sickle cell and also causing the hemoglobin C disease is as a result of point mutation. So in our next discourse now, I want to tell you how sickle cell is brought about. It's not anybody's fault that somebody has a sickle cell carrier. It's not anybody's fault. It's because it can come as a result of mistake in copying, doing production or transfer of hereditary. It can come as a result of environmental factor which we don't have control of. But the problem we have is that how we can now manage the situation, and that is the problem. So let's stay tuned now and go to next study. I want to show you how this point mutation caused this sickle cell disease. Okay, stay tuned while I tell you the explain the point mutation, that is the cause of sickle cell disease. Thank you. Bye.